My name is Bianca Silvar,
I'm Jose Gomez.
and
We are building
the Cambridge, and we are in the Tucson Broken Arrow neighborhood. My best experience with Shaw Homes so far is the efficiency and the knowledge behind everything with our sales rep.
I agree.
What sets Shaw Homes apart from other builders is the efficiency around our schedules to build our home, the different floor plans to choose from, and the different styles to choose from, and all at affordable cost.
I would say to someone that's considering building with Shaw Homes, to go for it. It's a great experience and you'll love what you find.